Now the last topic in this unit is knowledge management system, which is also known as KMS. Before directly moving towards the knowledge management system, first we will see what is meant by knowledge. And knowledge can be personalized information, it can be state of knowing and understanding, it can be an object to be stored and manipulated. And knowledge is a process of applying expertise. And knowledge is a condition of access to information, and it can be a potential to influence the action. After understanding what is meant by knowledge, we will come to know that is what is meant by knowledge management system. And knowledge management is a process of identifying, gathering, storing, evaluating, and sharing all of the valuable information that organizations create in their day-to-day operations. It can involve capturing answers to frequently asked questions and documenting them in an easy to understand format, like step-by-step written articles, videos, or images. If we had to reinvent the wheel every time we wanted to drive across town, we wouldn't be getting in our cars very often. So why do we feel the need of reinvent knowledge every time we run into the same issue within our businesses? Wouldn't it be a lot easier to already have an answer ready to share? But if you just store all that knowledge in a Word document, no one will be able to find it or update it. Knowledge management is like a catalog system at the library, which helps you to find exactly the right shelf and the right book to answer your question, and even keeps a record of when it was last checked out. Managing knowledge effectively means that accurate answers to common questions are easily accessible to both customer support agents and customers. Your team can act consistently with confidence, armed with answers from colleagues who have been there before. There is no need to reinvent the wheel with every customer question. So why we use a knowledge management system? A knowledge management system helps you to stay well organized and up to date when it comes to your organization's documentation. Whether you are a SaaS company, that is SaaS company, supporting business customers, a consumer product shipping out retail items, or a help desk manager dealing with internal customers, a knowledge management portal will help you effectively to deliver information to the people who need it. So some reasons that why we should use the knowledge management systems are: it helps customer to find their own answer. It means your customer don't always want to talk to a human to get their questions resolved. If they can search online and find the answer they need, they don't have to wait in a phone queue. Self-service or customer helping themselves through the documentation is most cost-effective way of supporting your customers. Using a KMS is a key in deflecting tickets away from the inbox and decreasing the ticket volume your customer support team needs to deal with. A knowledge management software provides 24/7 support to customers so they can find what they need and get back to their day quickly. The second is offer answers to frequently asked questions. Providing answer to the most burning question your potential customers can help to convert the website visitors into buyers. A KMS identifies the most searched terms and visited articles, so you don't have to guess what your customers want to know, they will tell you. Plus, grouping your frequently asked questions on a branded, easy to read page might even offer answers to the question that customers didn't even know to ask in the first place. Sharing information proactively can help to win a business and prevent support issues from cropping up later. The next is to keep information up to date and easy to find. A knowledge management system helps you to identify out-of-date articles and update them with a new information. This provides a big advantage over a file folder of documents, where folders can become unwieldy and a messy. A knowledge management system will keep your valuable information organized. With clear organization and effective search capabilities, anyone, that is internal or external, can locate exactly what they need and when they need it. With rating system in place, customers can alert you to articles that are no longer helpful, so your user education team can swoop in and make improvements. Out-of-date information can mislead customers and lose your company business, so it's important to get that taken care of quickly. You can also use a knowledge base article to alert customers to temporary workarounds while a fix is in the works. By categorizing articles as permanent or temporary, it is easy to go back and review articles that need to be revised or taken down after a fix has been deployed. The next reason is convert support emails to knowledge base articles. Do your agents spend a lot of time in writing out thorough and detailed support emails to customers? If you are using a modern KMS, you can capture that knowledge by converting the support emails into a knowledge base article. While responding to the customers, just forward the reply to the email address of your knowledge base and article draft will be automatically generated for you. It will save the time by not needing to write out some steps of instruction over and over again, and democratize the valuable information so that everyone in the company can access it. Now we will see how knowledge management system will improve the customer experience. Not only a knowledge management system great for a business, it is also great for your customers also. When customer runs into a quick question, they really don't want to have a pick up a phone, wait in a line and explain their issue to customer service representative. What they really want to do is search online or in your app for answer, fix it themselves and get back to their day. Providing a thorough knowledge base is a key to helping customers help themselves. A knowledge management system will help you to improve the customer experience in 3 different ways. First is reduce wait times. Second is enable customer to help themselves. And third is provide more detailed help. In reduce wait times, it's a much faster for customers to search for their own answer in a knowledge base than to contact a customer support. Plus, an online help center is always open and available 24/7. No matter what time of the day or night your customers need help, the knowledge management system will be there to help. With many of your customers being able to find their own answer, you will start to see the number of tickets submitted to your inbox dropping. This means even the customers that really do need to talk to your team will get help faster. Deflecting simple how to question by using a knowledge management software is good for all of your customers. The second is enable customers to help themselves. In 2015, Forrester reported that web and self-service help has overtaken all other forms of help, surpassing even phone and emails. Customers using fax on company's website increased from 67% in 2012 to 81% in 2015, and we are only getting started. Customers repeatedly say they would prefer to find answers themselves rather than pick up the phone and call to support. To keep customers happy, the best thing support teams can do is to provide easy to use online help center. Continually improving the way to deliver information to your customers will reduce churn, improve the customer loyalty, and reduce the cost for the business, and it's win-win-win situation. The next is provide more detailed help. There is only so much other you can communicate over emails or the phone. Knowledge management system allows you to pull together multiple types of media together to provide extremely thorough help. All the customers have their own preferred way of learning, whether it is through text, videos or images. Providing all these options in your help center will make sure none of your customers are left without help, no matter how they prefer to consume online material. Plus, instead of relying on your agents to draft out super long emails every time, your agents can just link to the customer to the right resource in your knowledge management system. It saves the time and encourages the customers to help themselves in the future. Some essential features of knowledge management software are: when you think of a knowledge management system, you might be thinking of a tired old file system of the 90s, but that's definitely no longer your only option. The modern knowledge management systems like Freshdesk are built for easy to use for global teams. They offer functionality to make it easy to customize the look and feel of your knowledge base and to improve your content over time. So we will see some of the features of the knowledge management system. The very first feature is rich text editing and multimedia. Knowledge is more than just a word. In order to get your point across, it's almost always helpful to include screenshots, videos and rich text like bolds and italics to emphasize. Knowledge management software should offer easy to use rich text editing and file management that doesn't make you want to pull your hair out. For example, it is easy to import images and resize them. What kind of tools you can embed to display video or code snippets in your articles. The second feature is language control. If you operate globally or in multiple regions, you will likely need to offer multiple languages on your help center. A knowledge management system supports multilingual articles and helps to manage a translation workflow. Tagging articles with the right language will make sure that every visitor feels like you speak their language. Next feature is reporting and analytics. In order to truly manage knowledge, you need to be able to measure the quality and the effectiveness of your efforts. This is why reporting and analytics are such a key feature of your knowledge management system, which are: look for a system that offers robust reporting on documentation includes number of views per article, search results, feedback from visitors. The next feature is integration with Google Analytics for more advanced reporting. Being able to report on how many people are visited your knowledge base weekly and monthly and whether they are finding what they need will help you to identify priorities for improvement. The detailed analytics can also help you to show a return on investment for any knowledge project based on tickets deflected. The next feature is feedback collection. Just because an article has many visitors doesn't mean it's particularly effective at resolving their issues. Collecting users' feedback on your knowledge base is an easy way to tell whether your articles are helpful and providing the answer to customer for which they are looking for. For example, Freshdesk articles offer an option for readers to vote yes or no to did you find it helpful at the bottom of each article. If they select no, they are given to an option to leave free from feedback about what could be improved. For documentation, this information is extremely valuable for focusing their work. If many customers report that an article is not helpful, it is almost certainly the time for an update. Next feature is permission control. Especially if you are just starting out, everyone on your team might be involved in writing and contributing to knowledge base. But that doesn't mean that everyone needs the ability to publish or update public articles. Having an editorial process means that you won't have poorly worked articles or misinformation slipping into public view. Look for knowledge management system that offers fine-tuned permission controls to allow agents to draft article and lend a hand, but restricts publishing permission only to the people that you trust for final review. Next feature is viewership control. Not every piece of organizational knowledge should be fully available to the public. There is a ton of different reasons why you might want to restrict the certain articles from certain types of viewers. Different plan types have different features. Managers might have separate internal process article than agents. Logged in users might be able to see more than anonymous viewers. With a knowledge management system, you have full control over who can see each article, section or category of article. The next and final feature is customization. Keeping the same branding across all your article assets like your website, product and help center. That helps build trust with your users because they can recognize who they are dealing with. Being able to customize your knowledge management system to look exactly as unique as your company makes your valuable documentation shine. A modern knowledge management system will let you incorporate your branding, logos and color scheme to customize exactly what your customers see when they navigate to your support portal. So these are some features. So here we finished our last point of our last unit, that is a knowledge management system of our 5th unit, and here your syllabus is completed. Thank you.